RDDT stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Reddit Incorporated sitting at 200 bucks. And I absolutely love the bullishness here. You know, that's cool. And whatnot. If I look at it from a higher time frame chart, you can see that I was sitting here and I was like calling it out in front of your eyes. And it's not just here, way before. But it actually got started trading on NASDAQ in March. But looking back, this was the most recent prediction. Most definitely started picking things up, even like before here. I have proof of everything, you know. I started calling it out when it was 140 bucks. Now we're 200 bucks. So, what's my approach on this? You bet it, you know, I'm still looking to take new highs out, meaning I still want to long. And only if it kind of retraces down a bit. I'm not going to just immediately buy, purely because my confirmations first must be met. So stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.